Hello guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Fine Hair. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do flat twist on your natural hair without extension, and this is an advanced tutorial. We are going to need elastic band to keep the hair in place. We will need extra dark black castor oil for my scalp, and shine and jam is for natural hair. I will need a comb to section my hair. If it's your first time here, welcome to my channel. If you are my returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by, and also please like, subscribe for more videos. Thank you, and let's go right into the video. So in this video I'm going to start by twisting to show you how to twist. I have made a video where I show how to twist for beginners only. In that videos I show you all the basic concepts of twisting, all what you will need to twist your hair as a beginner only. In this video is going to be more a little more advanced than the beginner. And in that video I did section it, prep it before I start twisting, but in this video I'm not doing that. I'm just grabbing and twisting and going. So this is what I'm doing. All I'm doing is use my index finger, go inside, grab it, twist it, go inside, grab it, twist it. So my index finger is grabbing and twisting. I should have to make your twist nice and smooth. So if you have not watched that video, please go watch it. It will help you to know all the basic concepts of twisting before this one. So right there we are done doing twisting that. See, I'm going to do another one to show you. All you do is use a comb, section your hair, but please do not section it too big, because if you do it too big, it will be hard for you to pick it up as a beginner. It's easy to start with a little size, like say the size of the hair that I'm starting with, so that you'll be able to grab it. Then when you go more like a professional, you can do bigger hair, but it's advisable to start with a small hair to make it easy on yourself. So again, that what I used was comb. You can buy this comb from any beauty supply. You can get it from Amazon, you can get it from Walmart or any store of your choice. So the next thing I use is shine and jam. My hair is washed and clean, but I have used shine and jam in there. That is why it's that white, but it's not dirty. I wash it. So what we do is I section my hair into little. That is the starting one. So now that I did that, all I will do is I'm going to use my index finger, and the way I do is I go in, I grab the hair, I twist, grab. If you notice now I'm doing my right side, right here on my forehead, I'm doing that. Then I go. It's the same concept where you do right, then you do left. Now to make your hair nice and smooth, you pull the hair. If I go it up, it's not going to be nice, so I bring it down. See, my index finger is going I'm using my right because I'm a right-handed. If you are not a right-handed, you're left-handed, use that. But use your strongest hand, because it will be nice and easy for you. So all I'm doing is use my index finger, go in, grab the hair, twist it, grab another, twist it, grab it, twist it, grab it. My index finger is doing just that twist, you see. But the other video I show you how to prep it to make it easy, and I did promise that I was going to do this to show you how if we know the concept and have a better idea of the basic what you should be doing, then that is what I'm doing, making this video to show you. After you do that, this is pretty much what you'll be doing to get your hair twisted in a flat twist. Okay, so I'm going to section right here. After I section it, I will take shine and jam, so it will lay down. Okay, the next will be for me to comb my hair, because it's a flat twist that we are doing. I start from my tip and I go down, and that will help my hair to be more straight, so that when I'm twisting it, it will be nice and smooth. Especially for a beginner, you want to do that. So I use my index finger, section it, and I will start twisting. So just have it in your mind, even though I'm not sectioning it into two in this, like I'm not going to, I have it in my mind and I have it visualized that I'm going right, then left, right? I go, then I go my right. I'll show you again. So in our previous video, I showed you where I have you section the hair in the middle. In this video, I'm not doing that because we already know the basic of it. So just have that in your mind, that there is left and there is right. Now, since you already know that, you start by go left, right, right. Do the same concept. You keep twisting. You just have it in your mind that you're going to side. And you keep putting, see that? And you pull it down. That makes it to be more flat, laying down, see? That is what I'll continue flat twisting it. If you know how to cornrow, it's the same concept where you just keep grabbing hair as you go. That is all I'm doing as I go. I twist, I grab, twist, grab, twist, grab. That is all I'm doing. Comment in the comment section if you have any question. Did you try doing it, or you're just watching? Let me know. Are you doing this as you're watching, or you're just watching then you will do it later? That's what I'm doing, just adding it. Then I'm going to do this side, the same concept. Put my index finger, here. I already have it in the back of my mind that I'm going right, left, right, left, right. And all I'm doing, use my index finger, go in, grab my hair, pull it to make it more nice and tighter. Then I keep going. Practice does make perfect. So all I'm doing the same thing, I twist, then I grab another new hair. Twist, old hair, grab new hair. And I keep pulling it more down to make it nice and twist looking. Once you know the basic concept of it and you keep practicing, you will get better. You get better and better. The more you practice it, the more you will keep getting better. Yes, it's possible for you to do your own natural hair at home. Yes, it is possible. You can do it. I believe in you, so don't give up. Keep going. If your hand is kind of feel a little bit weak because you're a beginner, just shake it, rest it, pause the video, go out, walk around, and come back and continue. You can do it. So do that. I'm laying it. Now that I'm done, I'm going to use my extra dark black castor oil and I'm going to go in all my line just like that, and I go. That's what I will do. And my next will be for me to put edge control. The one that I'm using says edge booster. That's how it look like, and I'll go on my edges. I'm going to do this side. That is what I will. This says no, it does not leave any flakes. It would leave flakes if you do not smoothen it out very well, but if you do, it's really nice and neat. So how I do it is I use comb. That's what I do. Then I go do this side too. Thank you so much for watching. Have you subscribed? If you have not subscribed, subscribe and also click that notification bell so whenever I upload a video, YouTube will notify you. Please share this video and also give it a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know if there is any video you will want me to do about hair. Thank you for watching and see you in my next